Hi, everybody. Good afternoon. Today is March 23rd. First full week of spring. Happy spring.
That's right.
Um,
Ali taught me Nowruz was recently, is that right?
yes, Happy Nowruz to all the Iranians.
And happy Monday. Hope everyone's having a good start to the week. We have a bit of an update in regards to, I'm sure a lot of you have seen in the news, with the partial government shutdown. Some TSA workers aren't showing up for work, so they're not getting paid, what have you. And so there's a little bit of shortage in staff at some airports. And the administration is trying to supplement staff by bringing in ICE agents, for lack of a better term, to hopefully make things go smoothly. Now that's up for debate, but you will see most likely at some of the major airports. Ali will mention a few ICE agents. Is that correct, Ali?
Yeah, so things kind of changed today. Obviously, pending government shutdown, DHS funding, and TSA officers not showing up to work or resigning, shortages, long lines. Therefore, the federal government has sent ICE agents to some airports, and the program, the idea is for it to expand. There's a few issues that are concerning. One thing, it could be a slippery slope that they could stay there. The fact that, so ICE, Immigration and Customs Enforcement, they're trained to basically arrest people that are perhaps undocumented and put them in removal proceedings and, get to a finality on their immigration status. But, airports historically have been a neutral zone where people travel from point A to point B and they just need to show an ID, get on a plane, and off they go. That has changed today. There's been instances of, we don't know the whole story, but I know at least one case up in San Francisco where there was a violent arrest. Obviously, there's a backstory to everything, so we don't know all the facts, but we do know that ICE agents are going to be, or HSI agents are going to be at airports nationwide.
Yeah, and what that means we're immigration attorneys, right? We handle immigration visa petitions, you name it. So from an immigration perspective, it's now more important than ever if you're going to be traveling domestically that you have documents to show that you are in status, whether that be if you're a permanent resident, even a U.S. citizen perhaps, valid visa holder, etc. Now, we were having a discussion before we started this video, someone traveling who does underlying status has perhaps expired, but they are applying for, let's say, permanent residency and are in pending status. Maybe they don't have their work card yet, or whether they do. Should you travel if your status is pending? It's kind of a personal decision. We don't want to tell you one way or another. I would exercise some caution and call your immigration attorney or call us. We can go over some of the scenarios that you may encounter, etc., and then you can make a better informed decision on that front. But now that there's going to be an ICE presence at some of these airports, it's very important that you either show that you have proof of some status here in the U.S., hopefully you have some underlying status, and if you have something pending, provide multiple documents showing that, and that hopefully it's soon to be adjudicated to finality perhaps.
Right. One thing in California, we have something is, called AB60 driver's license, or where it's not a real ID. It's not real ID, it's recognized in California, but when you go through TSA points or now ICE points at the airports, it is a federal kind of a screening facility, so they do require real ID. If you don't have real ID, you have to produce your passport that is valid, right? That's just a trigger, perhaps. It's something for the ICE officer to look further into. So like Alex said, just be very careful, talk to your counsel, or you're more than welcome to call us. There's so many scenarios that we can't possibly go over, and we don't want to create chaos and confusion and panic by any means. So that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is be in touch with your immigration attorney or hire us as your immigration attorney so you can be in touch with us. Things are changing rapidly, almost day by day, and we're here for you as a resource.
100%. Just be aware of that. And like Ali said, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call or shoot us an email.
All right, thank you and for watching, and we'll see you soon.
Have a good rest of your week.